So what we look for is impact and actually do you have the experience to do the job, right? And it depends on the type of role. Maybe it's a more entry level role, then I'm just looking for potential. The potential that you can come in, learn the job, do the job, right? But if it's more of a seasoned role, like a career level professional, then I'm looking to see if you have the experience and the necessary background, education, experience, and the actual skill set that I'm looking for, right? Because when we have a job opening, what we're looking for is deficiencies that we either currently have in our departments or simply holes that we have in our department. And we need to fill those gaps and those holes as quickly and efficiently as possible. So that's why we're looking for in the resume. So your resume just needs to be impactful. It needs to have metrics. It needs to have numbers. It needs to have accomplishments. What did you do in that role that actually would make me as a hiring manager want to bring you in for the interview, right? So if you're unsure what to include on your resume, click the link in my bio. You go to the Fix My Resume services. Let's fix your resume so we can get you into your next job opportunity.